Cathie Wood is someone you look up to for advice before investing big money in stocks. The reason is simple. Most of the instances she's ahead of time thanks to her genius mind and decades of economic experience, and can predict long-term and short-term trends accurately. Recently, Cathie Wood bought a few high-growth stocks because she sees a disruptive potential in them. This might be a sign for you to invest in these stocks too. What are those stocks? Well, let's find out. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video by Startup Yourself. And today, we'll be discussing some high-growth stocks that Cathie Wood recently bought. But before we begin, let us know your thoughts about any stocks that you've identified to be ideal for investment. Cathie Wood is an investment guru who is the CEO and the CIO of ARK Invest, one of the largest investment firms in the world. Many people wait for her to make an investment move and then follow suit. Some of the high-growth stocks that Cathie has are too simple. If there is one sector that Cathie is sure of would explode in growth in future, it is autonomous driving, and she is prepared to put her money in it as well. Cathie believes that the autonomous sector's annual revenue will experience a 130 times growth to $7 trillion in the next 10 years. This is a huge claim, and it does not come as a surprise that she decided to invest in Too Simple, which is an autonomous driving truck company that is developing technology which will allow trucks to travel from one destination to another without the need for human drivers. Too Simple is a relatively new emerging tech company which was founded in 2015. It has a market cap of over $7 billion. Even though it is not yet making profits, Cathie sees a lot of potential in it and has bought almost 2 million shares in it in the last few days. It is now her 44th largest position in her overall investment portfolio. Ginkgo Bioworks. Cathie usually invests in innovative companies with disruptive power that can change how the world works. No wonder she invested heavily in Ginkgo Bioworks, as it belongs to one of the 5 innovation sectors that Cathie has identified would converge and cause explosive growth in different sectors. That one sector being genomics. Ginkgo Bioworks is a biotech company which specializes in using genetic engineering to produce bacteria with industrial applications. Before August 3rd of 2021, Cathie had no ownership in this company whatsoever. But today, just 10 days later, she owns 7.6 million shares, and it is her 58th largest position. It is obviously because she believes that the company will take off in the future. Enjoying the video so far? Consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, support us by subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Pacific Biosciences. Another genomics company that Cathie Wood invested in is Pacific Biosciences, which is an American biotechnology company founded in 2004 that develops and manufactures systems for gene sequencing and some novel real-time biological observations. Cathie believes that gene sequencing is something that can change the way we look at diseases in the future. Her holdings in Pacific Biosciences have gone up from almost 6.3 million to 8.6 million shares, and increases of 3.3 million. It is now her 20th largest position. Robinhood. No, we're not talking about the Batman sidekick. Robinhood Markets is a company that allows you to practice commission-free investing. That's right, they allow you to trade stocks through their mobile app without even charging commission. Cathie Wood saw potential in this company which sounded too good to be true, and starting on July 29th of 2001, has bought 4.86 million shares, and it's now her 34th largest position. Robinhood is now worth $4.6 million, and Cathie believes that there's more room for growth. DraftKings. DraftKings is an online sports betting platform that also allows you to participate in sports-related fantasy league games and earn money. You can enter daily and weekly fantasy contests and win cash in sports like football, basketball, NFL, and many more. DraftKings became public only recently in April of 2021. Cathie Wood has been consistently buying shares in this company throughout the year as more and more people get attracted towards online sports betting and playing fantasy leagues. In just a little over the last 3 months, her holdings in the company have gone up from 6.5 million to a whopping 13.9 million shares, which means she has doubled her DraftKings holdings in the last 3 months. DraftKings currently occupies the 18th position on her overall investment portfolio. And those were a few stocks that Cathie has recently been buying because of their huge growth potential. Share your thoughts about the video in the comments below. Moreover, what do you think about Cathie's decision of investing in these stocks? Do you think that her investments will prove to be fruitful in the future? Does Cathie have a long-term plan in her mind with these stocks, or was she just buying the dips to sell them later at a better price? Share your views in the comment section below. And with that, we conclude the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Also, hit that bell icon so that you're notified about our future informative videos, and I'll see you guys next time.